Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Alexa on not understanding commands. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If Alexa is not understanding your commands, it could be due to issues with microphone sensitivity, page recognition or connectivity. So what you can do is first check your internet connection, ensure your Alexa device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, restart your router if needed, and say Alexa, are you connected to the internet, to check its status. Number 2 is to speak clearly and naturally. Speak at a normal volume and pace. Avoid shouting or speaking too softly. Use the exact phrasing for specific commands. For example, say Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes. Number 3 is to update Alexa software. Alexa updates automatically when connected to Wi-Fi, but you can prompt an update by saying Alexa, check for software updates. Number 4 is to check microphone functionality. Ensure the microphone is not muted. A red light on the device indicates the microphone is off. Press the microphone button to unmute it. Clean the microphone area to remove dust or debris that might block sound. Number 3 is to recalibrate Alexa to your voice. Use the Alexa app to train Alexa to better recognize your voice. Open the Alexa app, go to the settings, your profile and family, and then voice ID. Follow the steps to create or retain your voice ID. So that's a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.